Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're not fault finding, we're actually installing some downlights and adding some sockets. Undergoing a full renovation. They've just took the chimney out and put 3 RSJ stills inside. The plaster is actually coming tomorrow, so this is the cable that's hanging from the wall. So I've got to tidy that up and bring it in. I've just channeled it out, and this is where one of the sockets going to go for the TV, and also a bottom socket there. I've just been chiseling this out. Also, there's going to be 8 spotlights on that ceiling, and also the other ceiling we're going to have 4 spotlights here. So I'll be making some hole. Few spotlights on this ceiling here as well. This is the hallway. So we're going to put two there and 2 here. We're going to go off the existing light. We're going to take this out and do the connection from there. Same again in the other room, also here as well. Just gonna do some holes first and find out which way the joist is going. I'm pretty sure the joist which way it's going. Also, I think I'm gonna have to break some ceiling as well just to get the cable, because the upstairs they've already laminated the floor in the bedroom, so it'll be impossible to lift the floor. 900 from the wall. So if you can see the mark on there, 900 from this wall, because there's going to be 6 downlights here. Yeah, so there's 6 marks. I made them all parallel. Also guys, I just want to share something with you guys. I mean, I've just made something with a basketball. It's a dust collector, where it gets really messy, you know, when you doing a spotlight hole. I mean, this is the hole cutter, and this is my little drill. It's a really good one. I mean, I just bought a basketball, made a little hole, and it works really good. So I'll show you in action. So yeah, that's done. Yeah, so I'll do another hole on the ceiling, and I'll show you in action. Just going to do this mark here. How easy that is. It just collected all the dust, and there's no dust flying anywhere. Yeah, this is brilliant. I bought baseball, cut it in half, made a little hole. It's ideal. It does work really well. Hello guys, I've just managed to make some hole using the hole cutter. I've managed to fish some wire through as well. I'll just go through with you guys. So this is the wire. It's a bit blurry, it's a bit dark, it's literally pitch black outside. We're working quite late. The plaster is coming tomorrow, so I've got to run on the cables, make sure they're in before I leave. The plasters are coming first thing in the morning. So these are the So I managed to fish the wires through. Just gonna make the connections, just take that light out. So I'll do a video before I switch the power off. So there's 6 on this ceiling, and there's actually 4 on that ceiling. Also, yeah, this is the hole cutter that I've used. I'll say it works really good. Yeah, really proud of this. And also, so we've chiseled the wall out, ready for the wires to go in. So this is where the wires are going to come in, go in there, and that'll be the radial. That'll be that's going to be the ring, and that's going to be the radial of the ring. Yeah, it's getting better. So guys, I'm going to trip over. Hopefully, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, guys. Subscribe and like. Thank you.